The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, Technical Advisor for Canon USA, and I want to introduce you to two new professional camcorders, the XA15 and XA11. The high-quality 4K UHD XF405 and XF400 professional camcorders are now joined by the cost-effective Full HD XA15 and XA11 professional camcorders, and this will help to meet a wide range of needs from low-end to advanced amateur. The XA15's and XA11's imaging system, including a high-performance HD lens, advanced HD CMOS Pro sensor, and Digic DV4 image processor, makes it a tremendous choice for a wide range of applications, from on-the-go E&G productions to movie and television productions, broadcast schools, and more. So exactly what's different about the two models? Well, The XA15 includes an HDSDI terminal, the standard interface for professional applications, and it enables an uncompressed output at 1920 by 1080 with 422 color sampling and embedded audio and timecode. Now, other than the HDSDI terminal, these two models are otherwise identical. Both camcorders feature a wide-angle lens with a focal length at 26.8 millimeters on the wide end, together with a powerful 20 times zoom reaching 576 millimeters at f2.8 on the long end. So, it covers a truly broad spectrum of shooting scenarios, all while maintaining a compact design similar to previous Canon camcorders. This long zoom length is enhanced by a strong 5-axis image stabilization system, which helps reduce image blur even when zooming far into the distance. The system supports 3 modes of optical and electronic image stabilization, which can be selected manually, or Intelligent IS can use an automatic detection system to identify the proper stabilization mode for the situation. It also enables smooth vibration control and overall will improve image distortion substantially, especially while walking. The lenses are created with Canon cultivated optics technology that produces its EF series of lenses. The circular aperture helps create natural, smooth, out-of-focus areas, like the points of light that appear in the background or the night skylines. Multiple recording modes, resolutions, and frame rates make the XA15 and XA11 professional camcorders creatively flexible and adaptable to virtually any environment. They can record in full HD resolution to dual SD cards in both AVC HD and MP4 recording codecs at multiple bit rates and up to 60p. For backup and convenience, dual slot recording allows you to record simultaneously to each of the 2 SD memory card slots, providing an instant backup of your footage. Or use relay recording, where you can extend recording times as the camcorders automatically switch video recording from one card to the other when the first card becomes full. Now that can give you up to 12 hours of continuous recording time. You can even record the same scene to both memory cards using different formats, AVC HD on one and MP4 to the other. Slow and fast recording lets you record from 0.4 times up to 1,200 times, which offers a variety of slow motion and especially time-lapse effects. You can even verify the record playback times and the finished effects at a glance on the screen. The XA15 and XA11 feature 3 looks modes to enhance the recording's visual quality. Standard for a practically finished look, and then there's YDR gamma and highlight priority, which help to deliver an expansive range of colors and tones virtually consistent with how they're seen by the naked eye. Now during shooting or playback in the highlight priority mode, the View Assist function allows you to adjust the brightness and gamma settings of the LCD panel and EVF to ensure that the subjects are displayed and captured in the most realistic way. Fine details are displayed crisply and clearly on the 1.56 million dot viewfinder. The tiltable, user-friendly viewfinder helps provide easy visibility even under bright outdoor conditions. Operations can be performed quickly and intuitively from the large capacitive touch panel. Settings can be changed and operations performed by just swiping through the menu. Professional users will feel comfortable using the XA15 and the XA11 since they inherit the same level of operability found in professional cameras. Things like a seesaw-style zoom lever, focus zoom ring, lens hood with lens barrier, custom button dial, to name a few. Now, not only do the XA15 and XA11 provide you with incredible control over the image, they also provide immense creative freedom when it comes to inputs and outputs. Both models also include a USB connection, an HDMI 2.0 port, mic terminal, a dedicated headphone terminal, and remote terminal, And as I mentioned earlier, the XA15 features an HD SD-SDI terminal. Even more, terminals are optimally positioned to the left and right of the grip area, allowing for handheld shooting while cables are attached. All of the features needed in a professional handheld camcorder are packed in this compact, lightweight body. It's extremely useful in fields that demand mobility, such as media and reporting. A detachable handle provides expanded audio performance and added flexibility while shooting. Included on the handle are two built-in XLR audio input terminals with phantom power, a code accessory shoe, an external microphone holder, manual audio level control, a zoom control, a record start-stop button, an infrared light, and a tally lamp. Removing the handle allows for a low-profile recording configuration and makes it more compact for convenient storage when traveling. As you can see, the XA15 and the XA11 are versatile new additions to Canon's professional camcorder lineup. These camcorders facilitate speedy, outstanding HD quality video capture that can be ideal for ENG, movie and television productions, broadcast schools, and so much more. Now please check the Canon USA website for more product details on the Canon XA15 and the XA11. I'm Brent Ramsey. Thanks for watching.